The Benetti B.NOW 52M was built for one thing, to make every other yacht in the anchorage disappear from your mind. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Picture this, 157 feet of uninterrupted outdoor deck stretching from the stern all the way forward. Just open sky, teak underfoot, and the sound of water at 11 knots. That is your morning. The retractable pool cover is open. Your guests are spread across the oasis deck. Some at the bar, a few in the water, the rest at the dining table that seats 12 with room to breathe. At 169 feet, the B.NOW 52M carries 12 guests in 6 proper cabins. But it never feels like a ship. The deck layout keeps everyone together, connected, present in the same moment. Twin 1400 horsepower MAN engines mean you get there on your schedule. 15 knots when you need to move. 11 when you just want to feel it. 4,500 nautical miles of range. The Balearics to the Dodecanese without a thought. The Caribbean to the Azores if that is where the summer takes you. This is what it looks like when outdoor living is the entire design brief, not an afterthought on the way to the bridge. The B.NOW 52M, built for the life you are ready to live. Full specs at yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony. See you on the next one.